Hello my beautiful people, now welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How na dey my people? Abeg, now today be the first time wey dey come across this channel. My name na Rose. I be mother, a hairstylist and also a YouTuber. For this channel we dey do so many things. We dey bring latest news, they bring latest hairstyle, we still dey cook, so everything they find for YouTube dey for this channel. Abeg, no fit to subscribe to this channel. If you don't subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we play, you be the first person to notify. And if you didn't subscribe, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you, and I say may God Almighty bless all of us. So my people, I don't come today with another video. Today I'm going to make a very simple hairstyle for my small madam. So I decided to carry on along, come and show now how to make a very simple hairstyle for your pikin. Maybe if you don't get chance to carry on go salon, or you know just get that chance to make any heavy style for us. My people, first of all, I go say if you that kind of mother will know how to weave hair but you don't know how to cut hair, make sure you subscribe to this my channel and watch this video to the end, so that you can understand how I achieve this style and the technique when I use, so that you will learn. And the next thing when I do, I use edge control to cut the pattern. Then I put some of the edge control for the hair when I do weave, so that after the weave and the go, everything will work on the blend well, because our hair now virgin hair. So another thing again, when I use na Brazilian wool now to the weave this hair, I don't use attachment, because attachment too soft. I choose Brazilian wool because Brazilian wool be like natural hair. So now I use to weave this hair. So my people, mokona just the wash, see how I achieve this beautiful and simple hairstyle.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
Okay my people, like this now don't weave all the whole hair, but I'm not sure now how I take weave this back from the starting to the end, because I know I made the video too long. So as you can see, I don't weave all the whole hair, and I use some of the wool when I leave, the one I braid leave till they wrap the remaining one to secure them. So like this now, say this hair now just another style entirely. If you know, I even put small afro pony hair when I put, if you just leave them like this, put bead, or better still, if you just pick one for this one, when I cut come off for this center, just weave a normal Bob Marley, then put bead, just pack them. That one I see another style. But for this particular style when I go for, I won't put more afro ponytail hair for this place. So let me make una see how the wrapper. So now I go use small rubber band to secure her so that the thing no will loose. After I don secure and finish, I will come put the afro hair ponytail. This afro ponytail I don first use am before, so like this now I wan use this detangling spray take spray am so that the thing go dey soft, e go dey shine like say na new one. So na wetin I dey do for here. This afro ponytail hair na hair wey be say you go fit dey use over and over again, no be say e too cost, e dey very affordable. I think I buy this hair with 5 euro abi 10 euro, I no know again, but na wetin you go use for long, and e get small two clip for the side. If you be adult, you fit even use am, you fit just pack your hair normal packing, then just put this afro ponytail hair, you don waka your waka, na see am. And e still get small band wey fit even take tie your hair. So like this now, still don dey worry my small madam, because each time when I dey do her hair, she just like to dey sleep, but the moment I remove my hand for her hair, that sleep go disappear. So like this now, she don even dey fight me say she wan sleep, but I gats to finish this hair, because anything wey me leave this hair, she no go gree make I touch this hair again. So I don already put the ponytail hair. Now I go try to put small cream just to make am shine, set everything, make everything dey in order. Then I will come lay her edges hair. So like this, I just through with this hair. Abeg, if you know say you dey watch video to this point and never gives you a thumbs up, abeg now wetin you dey wait for? If you dey watch video to this point, it means say you dey enjoy the video. So wetin you dey wait for now? Give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, because if you no subscribe, you only watch comot, e no good o. The hope like say na no dey encourage me like that. So subscribe to the channel, be part of this family. Like I said before, for this channel I dey bring so many things. You go dey see videos of cooking, videos of hair and news, everything dey for this channel. So abeg, just subscribe and join the family. And if you don't subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell, because if you subscribe, you not turn the notification bell, if I upload video, YouTube no go notify you. So like that, e no go too make sense when I go upload video and you no go dey watch. So I don finish the hair, na the finish outcome be this one, the finishing part. Na it be this. How una see the hair, I hope say una enjoy the video, I hope say somebody learn something from this video. So my people, I will leave una for here. Make una stay healthy, make una stay blessed. Till next time, bye bye for now.